Chevy guy, what happens if a life insurance company goes out of business? Are they federally insured like banks? No, they are not federally insured like banks, but there is a state insurance company in every state that acts very similarly to FDIC insurance. And so there is guarantees through that. And there's also through that same state agency, all of the other insurance companies that are licensed in that state, they all basically, when an insurance company goes out of business, which doesn't happen very often, but when one does go out of business, they all split up all the policies in there. So the policies will still be in effect. The ones that won't, you're in that FDIC insurance type of scenario. But for the most part, most of those carriers are willing to take on any of the policies that they need to. So it ends up being a pretty smooth transition. If it goes to that state agency and you have the limits, it's just like the FDIC. If you have $1 million in your account, you don't get all of it. You're only guaranteed up to like $200,000, right? FDIC insurance, or however much it is these days. Same thing in this scenario. They're probably not going to guarantee your whole policy if you have very large policies, but they do guarantee some of it. So always important, though, to make sure that you're working with large companies, that you don't have to worry about them going out of business. There's plenty out there that are awesome. They've been around for 200 years. We expect them to be around for another 200.
I hope you found value in today's video. If you'd like to find out more about IUL and whole life, check out these videos right over here, and we'll see you next time.
Now go maximize your cash flow.